Replacing the engine air filter on a 2021 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid 1.6 is quick and requires no tools. Open the bonnet and locate the air filter housing on the right-hand side of the engine bay. Lift the housing cover to access the filter assembly. Move the two locking levers on the filter downward to release the old filter from the tray. Remove the old filter and inspect the housing for any dirt, leaves, or debris before fitting the new filter. Insert the new air filter into the tray in the same orientation as the old one and secure it by returning the two locking levers to their original position. Place the filter assembly back into the housing and lower the cover into place. Check that everything is properly seated, then start the engine and confirm it is operating normally. Regular air filter replacement helps maintain engine performance, fuel efficiency, and proper airflow.